question number 4. The taxi fare in a city as follows. So it is given in the question taxi fare in a city. Okay, for the first kilometer. So first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. This rupees 8 is only for the first kilometer. Okay, and for the subsequent distance it is 5 kilometer. So after that each distance for some subsequent distance means after first 1 kilometer the cost is 8. After that 1 plus 1 kilometer, that means first kilometer 8 and second kilometer 5, and totally 3 kilometers are traveling. Then for first kilometer 8, second kilometer 5, and third kilometer also 5. And if totally 4 kilometers are traveling, first kilometer 8, second kilometer 5, third kilometer again plus 5, fourth kilometer again plus 5. This is the meaning. Okay, so for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer, taking the distance covered as x kilometer. Total distance is equal to what? X. This is total distance. Okay, and total fare is equal to what? Y. So we have to write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay, so total fare, how can we calculate total fare? Y is equal to first kilometer cost, that is 8, plus that is first kilometer 1 into 8, plus total how many 5 we have to add. If it is total 4, then we have to add x minus 1, that is 4 minus 1. Total distance is x. So here we are adding 3 5. If it is 3, we are adding 2. If it is 2 kilometer, we are adding only 1. That means total distance minus 1 into 5 we have to do, because first kilometer 8 rupees and subsequent kilometers 5 rupees only. That means we are subtracting this first kilometer here. Okay, x is the total distance. From the total distance we are subtracting the first kilometer here, because we already added that first kilometer cost is here. So total distance minus that first kilometer into 5, because excluding that first kilometer all these kilometers cost is 5 only. So first kilometer cost added here, and total distance minus that first kilometer into 5, that is the total fare that is given in the question y. So we will get y is equal to 1 into 8 8 plus x minus 1 into 5. So now you got a linear equation. Now we can find for x is equal to 1. I am giving x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 into 5, 0. So we will get y is equal to 8. Next I am giving, you can give any value, x is equal to 2. So y is equal to 8 plus x is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 into 5, that is 8 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 5, 5. That is equal to 30. So the points are, first is 1 comma 8. 1 comma 8. Second is 2 comma 13. 2 comma 13. If you are getting 2 points, then you can draw the line like this, right? X-axis, and here it is y-axis. After that first point 1 comma 8, x value 1 and y value 8. This is the point. Y value 8. This is the point. Next is x comma 2 and y value 13. This is the point. X comma 2 and y value 13. After that you should join these 2 points by using a straight line. This straight line represents the equation which we found here. What is the equation? Y is equal to 8 into 8 plus x minus 1 into 5. So that straight line represents the equation here. Y is equal to 8 plus x minus 1 into 5. Okay, so first make the equation. After that substitute x value to any 2 x value, find the corresponding y value. You will get the 2 points. After that plot that points. Next joining these 2 points, join a straight line. That is the required line, okay, for the given equation.